Alright, turbos are off. I've got them separated, and as you can see, there was a massive failure in there. I ended up blocking off the oil in this one. It was dumping oil. I needed to be able to start the truck and at least move it under its own power so I can get out here to get repaired. And as you can see, that was the problem right there. And here's the new one. So this one actually is going to be taken back apart. I'm going to go ahead and change out that wheel right there with a billet, and I'm going to make sure it's got a 360 thrust washer on there. So I've got new stuff to go in there just to make it a little bit better. But honestly, when I get this truck together, I'm probably going to end up selling it. So but at least it'll have everything new when I do go to sell it. And believe it or not, that turbo was in okay shape. But I do have a new cartridge for that one as well.